Hey everybody, got a nice one. Just came back from detail. Fully serviced. And it is what many might call the best looking body style for the Tacoma. 23 model, low miles, fully serviced, new tires, running boards, and I believe somebody send me in the color. I think it's called mean green. I don't know if you know what it's called. Put it in the comments. For now, I'm gonna call it mean green. And the good part, it's manual transmissions. So TRD, off-road, towing package, sliding window. It's nice, man. I think it's only like 20,000 miles. I'm telling you, sharp. 23 model Tundra with I think 20,000 miles on it. And again, the thing everybody wants, it's getting harder to find, manual transmission. So low miles. Somebody said Toyota trucks last forever and have good resale value. That's what the word on the street is. So call me on this one. Mean green, Tacoma 23, low miles, liner, towing, side steps, fully serviced. Man, it is a looker. Call me. It's Saturday. Don't forget to be awesome today. Thanks, everybody.